teaching you how to do a side aerial. Make sure to warm up before you start this tutorial. First, we want to make sure that we have our cartwheels strong. Make sure that we try to practice cartwheel nice and fast. Once we've done that a few times, we can then go on to the one-handed cartwheel. When we're doing our one-handed cartwheel, we can make sure that we push off from one foot and go into the cartwheel. This is acting as a hurdle. This step will be really important later when we go for our side aerial. Now we've practiced that a few times, we can go back to two hands, practicing the hurdle, and then we can go up, down, up. So going a quick, fast action like this. This is going to help get the motion of picking your arms up. Make sure we practice this a few times and go really fast when we get here. You can start slower and then pick the speed up. From a lunge, up and down. Make sure to repeat this a few times. Bring your arms up and down. Make sure your arms go really fast down because that's going to help when we go into the blind. Now we've done this a few times, we can practice going for it. Make sure you have a supervisor around to help you out. Down. I like to go from here and throw my hands out. Big up, down. Just practice this a few times and it'll get more natural. Bunnies can turn into so many different things, including a swish aerial. These are really fun to put in routines. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope it helped. Bye everyone.